This right here is the tabletop fire pit from Housewise. It's a really cool looking fire pit that you can put on your tabletop. And in the box you get the tabletop fire pit, including the outer cup and inner cup with ceramic wool inside, but also a protective base and a pad to set it on. It also includes a lid extinguisher plus 2 extendable roasting sticks. And you can pick and choose your choice of ethanol, which you use to fill up in this inner cup. And then when you light it up, you get a really nice flame. You can roast marshmallows or just have a really nice ambience to the room. I really like this thing a lot. It's quality made and the fire pit doesn't get hot, so you can move it, but do be careful. And then when you're done with it, you can just put the lid on it to extinguish it, and it works really quickly. So again, a great fire pit. This would be great for like just a small outside table or inside table, just whatever you want. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.